Okay, and hello and welcome back everybody. In this video tutorial, we will be taking a look at the fillet command found within Autodesk Inventor. And let's just go ahead and jump over, take a look at Activity 2.1.5 CAD model features, and this is what has been provided to us by PLTW. In this case, we're going to be taking this L-shaped extrusion, and we're going to be applying just two simple fillets to it, and it looks like we're going to be doing that with a radius of 0.25. All right, so let's jump back over and let's take a look at it. A couple things real quick. Even though we are looking at the fillet command up here within the ribbon under the model tab, the fillet is just a general name we talk about for any type of a rounded corner, whether it's internal or external. Looking back at our drafting terminology, we can define an external corner that's rounded as a round, and then an internal corner such as this one would be considered to be a fillet. So externals are rounds, internal corners are fillets. All right, but in this case, we're just going to be using the fillet command found in Autodesk Inventor. All right, so in this case, looking here, we're going to be just applying two different fillets. So let's take a look at those. And if we come into our fillet command, it's first going to be asking us, which edges we'd like to select. In this case, we're going to be switching our radius over to 0.25, not 0.025. There we go. And now we can just simply come out here and select those edges, which I don't think that was one. Let's do this again. 0.25, and we're going to be selecting this edge as well as this edge. And what's nice is that Inventor gives us a preview of what that's going to look like. If the fillet is simply too large, it's going to be telling you it's too large. All right. And once we're done with that, we just simply say, okay, we can now see that we have this fillet as well as this round from our fillet command. But let's go ahead and let's explore a couple more opportunities with the fillet command. All right, we jump back into fillet. Right now, we're currently using a selection mode that's using our edge. We actually have the ability to come out and indicate an entire loop that we want to apply a fillet to. So if we come here to the top, we can see we can select that entire loop, and we can apply that fillet to everything. All right, we also have the same ability on a feature, such as a hole or a cylinder. We can go out there and select that. All right, so you have some more opportunities through that. We also have the ability, if we know that everything is going to be filleted, we're going to be able to select all fillets as well as all rounds. Okay, we can apply that and say okay, and we can see that that fillet has been applied to everything. All right, jumping back here, let's take a couple look at a couple other features we have. Just know that you do have some more tabs that are available, like variable setbacks. I'm not going to go into it. And then we also have this flyout, which indicates that we also have some more features. I just want you to see that those are there in case there might be an opportunity when you have to use those. But really, most of the time, using this, you're going to be using edge, loop, or feature. And it's just pretty simple. You can select the edge as well as indicate what the radius is, and then just simply apply it. All right, so it's not that difficult. So when it comes to fillets, you have that ability to use it as a feature within an IPT, in addition to the fillet that you can use while you're in the actual sketch to produce a profile which you're going to extrude, sweep, whatever. So there you go. That's how you can use the fillet command in an IPT.